There's a minstrel in the kitchen, and he rocks back in his chair. He sings a song and plays guitar, it seems he's always there. And he'll put off till tomorrow what he planned for yesterday. And when rain spoils plans to cut the grass, he just says, well, that's okay. There's a dancer in the kitchen, and she stands on pointed toe. From a child into a lady, I've watched her surely grow. Spinning swiftly through my lifetime with a laugh and sparkling eye. To a magic world before her, can I ever say goodbye? A house has many rooms and colors, and each one plays a part. The center is the kitchen is the heart. It's where we greet each morning before we're on our way, and where we meet each evening to talk about our day. There's a teaser in the kitchen with his hand in the cookie jar, giggling as he rides my shoulder with an eye upon the stars. He's a constant pest and teaser, and he's bound to have his way. And he's wearing out his welcome, but I hope he'll always stay. There's an artist in the kitchen, but she laid aside her art. Clean and sweep the dance floor to fill that cookie jar. But the dancer and the teaser and the minstrel are her friends, and they smile and gather round as she picks up her art again. A house has many rooms and colors, and each one plays a part. The center is the kitchen is the heart, where we greet each morning before we're on our way, and where we meet each evening and talk about our day. Two cats in the kitchen, one sits in the sink, waiting for a faucet drip so she can get a drink, and the other's on the freezer where the whole room he can see. I smile and play guitar for him, he yawns and purrs for me.